Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Spotify. It's not available on your country. To know how to fix or how to solve Spotify, it's not available on your country. You should just go to settings. Here in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this page you'll enter to the window of Spotify. When you'll find this page of app info, you will click on force stop and you will click OK. Here we go to click on storage. Then we click clear cache, it's already turned on. And after that, you can turn off your Wi-Fi, your phone, and you can turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for your attention.